What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Back with the Grom here. First mod we got just some cheap Amazon rear passenger grab bars. Not that I'll probably ever have a passenger on here, but I just like the way it looks, and it's a spot to grab it to help move it and load it and whatnot. Just kind of looks better. So I got these red ones here. Has all the little spacers and bolts and everything. From what I've been seeing, you just pop these little caps out and then pretty much just put the spacer on and put the bolt through and tighten it down. So pretty self-explanatory. I'll go ahead and get those popped out and see what they look like. Alright, so pretty much just take the seat off and then you can pop these caps out from the back pretty easily. You might need like a screwdriver or something to get down into this one, but they just pop right out. And then for these, they have little threads on the bottom. I'm not sure what, but I'm going to put them like that so they're facing down so you don't see those. But the instructions from where I bought them say to put them like this, with the bigger one in the back and the shorter one in the front. But I've seen people do it the opposite way, but I guess I'm just gonna do what the instructions say here and see how that works. I did also get some Loctite too, some blue Loctite just to put on there. Just so they don't rattle loose or whatnot. But yep, I'm gonna get the one mounted up and installed and see what it looks like. Alright, so apparently it is not what the instructions say, and it is like other people that I've been seeing where the skinny one goes this far and the thicker one. So here, I'll show you. So it would be skinnier one up front here, and then this one in the back. The instructions show it like that one, and then this one back here, but it didn't even, this one back here lined up, but this one wasn't long enough, so you need this skinny one to kind of get into that hole there. But yep, I just mounted it up before I Loctited it just to make sure that was the correct way. So now I'm going to go ahead and take those off and then Loctite them and then tighten them down. Alright, so we got them both on here. They're looking good, they're on there tight too. Put a little bit of Loctite on both of them just to help so they don't vibrate out or whatnot, but pretty good solid pieces. Definitely, like I said, probably not going to have any passengers on this, but easier to move around and load it up and whatnot. Just kind of looks better too. But yeah, that's pretty much it for that. More parts on the way. Next I'm gonna I got mirrors ready, the little end bar mirrors. Get rid of these antenna things. So I'm gonna be doing that next. Yep. Tail lights, turn signals, you name it. Eventually you're gonna get an exhaust and intake and tune and just pretty much everything. Just kind of make it look good and be better overall. But yep, that's gonna be it for this one. Stick around for more Grom videos.